Good evening everyone. Welcome to Piest Systems. Today Kumud has done a small project actually for the automotive vehicle cars where she will be explaining you about this project. Hi Kumud, could you please explain what you have done today?
Hello sir, today we have done this project in which when we switch on, then the LED will switch on, and when we switch off, the LED will get off after 10 seconds ka delay.
Okay.
So here we have connected this pin number 12 to the input,
Yes.
which is a switch. Pin number 13 to output, which is a LED.
Yeah.
And we have connected a ground here.
Okay.
Now I am switching on this power.
Okay.
Here you can see, okay, the LED is switched on.
Okay. So if you switch on here, actually the 10th number LED is glowing.
Yes.
Immediately, right?
Yes.
Okay, correct. That's good. Okay.
Now I have put here a timer for 10 seconds. Let's see.
Why? Because you should expect that if you turn off, it will
Exactly.
take 10 seconds and after that it will turn on, right?
Exactly.
Okay, that's
exactly.
good. Thanks. Yeah.
So I am switching off, and meanwhile I'll start the timer.
Correct. That's good. Okay.
Let's see.
Let's continue. Yeah. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thanks. That's good. Yeah, really nice code. Okay, so guys, you might have thinking it's just a small project making on and off, but the challenge here was like actual 10 second. What we have done it here. Playing with a BTech project and doing the real-time projects with as for the customer requirement specification is very important. Thank you, Kumud, for delivering the proper and perfect software. Thanks a lot. Bye.